Global warming and greenhouse effect. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, the only planet having a vast diversity of life forms, while other planets of the solar system are scorching hot or freezing. Earth has a relatively stable temperature. What is that making Earth different? What is exactly making Earth such a favorable planet to live on? It is the Earth's atmosphere, which is a thin blanket of air surrounding the Earth from all sides. This air is a mixture of many different gases. Just like an umbrella that protects us from the sun's heat and rain, this thin layer of air protects Earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. But the stable temperature is rising every passing year. Oceans are getting warmer, a significant shift in the climate is seen, glaciers are melting. Why is all this happening? What should be done to stop all this? Earth is constantly bombarded. We will learn in this session. Now, Earth is constantly bombarded with enormous amount of radiation from the sun, which we receive in the form of light and heat energy. These radiations in the form of ultraviolet and infrared rays has to first pass through the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the Earth's surface. The ozone layer in the atmosphere blocks some amount of harmful ultraviolet rays before reaching the surface. A part of the rays is absorbed by the Earth. Amount of infrared rays is reflected back into space. But some amount of these gases trap these rays, which leads to heating of the environment. This exchange of incoming and outgoing radiation is referred to as the greenhouse effect. And the gases involved in it are known as the greenhouse gases, which include mostly carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and chlorofluorocarbons. Children, are you not wondering why is it called greenhouse effect? Is it something to do with the greenhouse? If you said yes, you are thinking in the right way. A greenhouse is a glass building in which plants that require protection from cold weather are kept. The glass cover helps to trap all the heat energy and keeps the inside environment warm. Now, consider planet Earth. The atmosphere acts as a glass and traps the heat. The greenhouse effect is essential in order to keep our planet warm. In the absence of this effect, the temperature of the Earth's surface would have been -20 to -40 degrees. But too much of something is bad, right? If the plants in the greenhouse receive excess heat, it would burn. And if we consider Earth over the last 2 centuries, human activities have changed the Earth's atmosphere in a drastic way. The amount of greenhouse gases have increased and are still increasing. They trap too much heat, and this excess of greenhouse effect results in global warming, which is the increase in the Earth's average temperature. Now, consequences of global warming. Its effects are not limited to only one country, but it would affect the entire planet. Many nations of the world have come together to think over it and decided to sign an agreement, an international treaty or agreement known as the Kyoto Protocol. This is only for your information, children. The major objective of this agreement is to reduce harmful gases by 5% below the year 1990. That is the rate which was seen in 1990. Below that, they have to reduce. Now, what can be done by us? How can we contribute in reducing global warming? By planting more trees, reducing waste generation, reducing the use of products which generate greenhouse gases, using energy efficient appliances, increasing the fuel efficiency of vehicles, using more renewable energy. That's all for today, and have a good day.